Good morning, students. And so far, we have studied around 4 chapters and 4 to 5 chapters. Is it? Good morning, children. So far, we studied, we have completed in your syllabus around 5 chapters, but we are not recalled. It's been already 1.5 month, 1.5 and 2 months, and for the previous test we had I had given you only the first chapter, but in this second round test, which is commencing from the next week onwards, you will be having around 3 chapters. So since the second chapter is small, I had added it to the coming test. So for the tomorrow's class, I will be asking the questions related to the this video. Whatever we are going to discuss in this video, I am going to ask the questions and you need to be answer. So for this, for the upcoming test, I am sending you the recorded classwork notes, and whoever has not completed, please complete it. If not so, and if it is completed, very good, and please send it me in the PDF for my record purpose, and I will be allotting you the marks of 5 marks. So for the submission of classwork and the homework, you will be getting full 5 marks. So in today's videos class, we'll discuss about, we'll recall whatever the important points are there in the second chapter, that is chapter number 2, India our country. Exercise part we'll discuss. Please listen. Fill in the blanks. India is the dash largest country in area. It is the second largest country in its area or in its territory. Next, Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the state which is present in India. So in India, Indian country, Tamil Nadu is the state, and in Tamil Nadu state, Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Next, Goa is the smallest state of India in area. When we measure the area, the size of the area, the Goa is the smallest state of in India. Next, there are how many states and union territories in India? At present, we have there are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Previously, we saw the capital of Tamil Nadu. Then, what is the capital of India? New Delhi is the capital of India. Next, coming to the match the following. You need to match with the column A with the column B. So students, in test you will be not getting the match the following, but the match the following question might be in the form of, for the will be asked for the oral test. So you should recall all. You should read the say true or false, match the following, fill in the blanks. For written purpose also, I have asked the questions, but even then for the oral, we will be asking from the match the following, say true or false. So overall classwork you need to study well. So Madhya Pradesh will be the answer for Bhopal. Here the Bhopal is the capital. Next, Mizoram stands for Aizawl. Aizawl. Next, Punjab, Chhattisgarh. Then Rajasthan will be Jaipur. Jaipur is the capital. Next, Goa, Panaji is the capital. So next we'll move on to the whether the following statements which are given says true or false. Next, India is located in the continent of Africa. Is it true? No, it's false. Why? India is located in the continent of not Africa. It is Asia, which lies in the southern part of Asia. So, India is a part of continent of Asia, not Africa. Yes, it is false. And the southernmost point of Indian territory is Indira Point. It is true. So students, moving further, so you need to be study carefully the match the following, fill in the blanks and say true or false for the oral test. The questions might come for the oral test. So the largest state of India is Uttar Pradesh. It is false. Then what is the answer? Answer is Rajasthan is the largest state. When we consider overall India, so Rajasthan is the largest state, not the Uttar Pradesh. Hence, it is false. Next, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. It's false. Why? Because the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in Is it Arabian Sea? No, it is located in Bay of Bengal. Hence, it is false. And Lakshadweep is located in Arabian Sea. So, Andaman Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands are in the Arabian Sea. Next, the coastal boundary of India, including coastal length of islands, is 8,100 kilometer. It's false. It's not around 8,100 kilometers. So, the coastal boundary of India, including the coastal length of islands, is around 7,517 kilometer long. Hence, it is false. Next, we'll move on to the 1 mark questions or the 2 marks questions. So, in which part of Asia is India located? India is